Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! We are still alive. I'm a super mom.
It's been a while since we didn't see each other, but we are alive, we are super fine, and as you can see, Mimo is super fine, super beautiful. It seems to be like a 2 years old boy. It's only 11 months old. Ciao Mimo, say hello, say hello.
Say hello to our dear Sicily lovers. Guys, I miss you so much, but Mimo is very demanding, and so my new word is Mimo. I'm a full-time mama.
But we also had some opportunities to travel around Sicily, to work for you guys, and we started over with our business season. We are now following some private tours of Sicily, some clients from Louisiana, from Chicago, from Pittsburgh. They are touring right now, private tours of Sicily, and we will start over our official group tours in 12 days. Say something about our beautiful Sicily Lovers Tour, Rosella, please.
It's our ideal tour of Sicily. Is a small group tour of Sicily. We have 3 editions this year, and all the 3 editions are already sold out. But you can join one of the editions next year in 2027. You can visit our website things-to-do-in-sicily.com and select the best edition for your needs. Sorry.
We still have some spots available. I can reveal that one edition is in April, one in May, and one in September 2027. And now, please give me the opportunity, Rosella, to tell something about the beautiful location we are now. We are at the foot of Mt Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. Mt Etna is behind us. Today is a little bit foggy, and we have the light in the back, so now I will switch the camera and I'll show you better Mt Etna. This is a beautiful golf resort in the area of Mt Etna. It belongs to the Hilton brand, so a very, very special location to stay in here in Sicily during your tours of Sicily. And Mimo is not so happy to talk about business. Maybe you want some food. Mimo, please help me finish this video. Just to tell you that this Hilton Golf Resort is one of the most beautiful hotels in Sicily. It can be included in all your tours of Sicily, and it will be the home base where the Sicily lovers will stay during the Sicily Lovers Tour version 2. The tour reserved for only the participants of the previous Sicily Lovers Tours editions. So it will take place in June 2027. We will spend 3 nights here. It's a beautiful, beautiful hotel with 2 swimming pools. We have just 1 swimming pool behind us. We have a beautiful golf course. We have 2 restaurants, a lot of beautiful rooms facing the Mt Etna. So it's a masterpiece. Now I would like to show you something. In the meantime, what we can say? Stay tuned, because we will publish more content in the following days. Rosella and Mimo will join the Sicily Lovers Tour maybe when we will be in the area of Palermo. Then I will I will be traveling alone,
Yes,
and I will
Mimo is
make.
impossible.
Yes, Mimo is very demanding. It's impossible to tour with him.
I'm still breastfeeding him, so
And no, sorry, I finished. I finished. So he's crying. Don't make Mimo cry. Rosella, please switch the camera. Mimo is happy again. So this is a beautiful location. As you can see behind me, there is one of the two swimming pools. We are surrounded by the Mediterranean vegetation. We have olive trees, we have oaks, we have almond trees, and the golf course is over there. So it's a beautiful, very technical, difficult golf course. So for all the golf lovers around the world, this is a paradise. That's Mt Etna, once again. Maybe now you can see it better with the main camera. That's the golf resort, and that's the golf club. And I think this location is waiting for you. If you come to Sicily, regardless if you join one of our group tours, one of our private tours of Sicily, I recommend you to take a look at this beautiful Hilton Golf Resort. It's a great opportunity to enjoy a beautiful area of Sicily, the area of Mt Etna, the area of the Alcantara Gorge. It's a beautiful natural environment all around us. Rosella, please join us. I try to
ciao,
look.
ciao, Mimo. Say goodbye to our Sicily lovers. Love,
Hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao. Ciao.
ciao, ciao.
Stay tuned.